Morning beautiful people, big up on yourself, welcome back to the channel and welcome if this is your first time. Kindly leave a like on the video and subscribe. Long time subscriber, I'm gonna have to tell you what to do as you know drop in, leave a like on the video. So, this morning, the Richard Brown Films and team, they are going to Portland. And me I go with them and me I carry Uno. No, I don't know what they're going to Portland to do, but these are movie people, guys, so probably them are going to shoot a movie, probably some celebration or getting back the chat. Me don't know, but me are bringing it with me. So, them are get ready. Alright, so we just get ready up and we all go to Portland because we see if we can film a movie. So we just head out to go to Portland. So we know how to go on the journey, we just know so we are going to Portland. And we are doing a road trip in idea. We go to Portland, we are going normal. So they are going easy.
Clean over there, so I ain't no money. You can't get the girl in favor, go clean over there, no way money there.
One normal man.
One normal.
The normal boss. Come on, get the
We're probably there now. When I reach now, we make one little stop for one convenience store to get water, hydrate yourself, so it's a long journey. Seems a normal boss there, kinda overexposed. Richie there, him my driver. And me there, the camera guy, camera person. So Mr. Brown, you don't say no know what going on earlier, but I don't know, something else I want to tell you. You must have an idea what going on up Portland. Which part of Portland we are going?
We have no idea where in Portland we're going. We just know that we're going to Portland, and how we work, you don't know, we work very unorthodox. So we just go to Portland, we just go shoot a movie. So we just, that's how we work, we have a simple plan, and then the simple plan, we execute it, and then it just work. You see me?
Alright. So when you hear that, continue with the proceedings of the day, people. Yeah. And if you're there sardine and you like it, make sure you like the video. And if you're your first time, subscribe. Yeah. Oh, I'm to know my problem.
It's a lock off. I need to get some.
You're up, people. I got to Portland and try to get some food first, so. What is that? Second stop is that? Second stop. I already stop get some water, so. And then a man take a beer now. Alright, man take a beer now with the, what else on it? Wendy's? Wendy's up? But they are Wendy's, we are trying to get some food. Like that, like.
5 chicken sandwich. 5 no more. 5 chicken sandwich. More. You know what chicken sandwich? 5 chicken sandwich. And that's the 5 chicken sandwich. Big chicken, drinks, and water.
So yeah, I'm there. I'm bringing all that. When this next stop, maybe even know. North Coast now drive, right? There must be over the North Coast drive.
Yeah?
No.
But you don't want no mayonnaise or anything from film, that's all.
We on job.
What them do, Akeem? What them do at school again?
Drama and theatre, man.
They do
Performing
drama.
arts.
Yeah, man, they do a lot of drama in school. And when them do drama, you find out, say, I just say stop. So a lot of people want to become. But if we do a good job, you know what I mean? Curious King.
So people, we reached Portland. Nothing exciting not happened yet so far. We don't know, as I said, we don't know what going to move if we shoot all of these things. Mr. Brown. Come talk to people, hold on. Give them some light because they can't see everyone back there.
Yo, what going?
Hold on.
Yeah man, you say Portland, how you stay for Tuesday?
When you say next week, I mean this week.
No, I am in Portland now, but I'll probably come across Kingston tomorrow, Tuesday. So I'm asking how you stay.
Boss up on the phone with Jamaica top photographer. So just give me a little minute there.
Oh, then if you have Wednesday man, what time should you have?
In the evening. So would have more likely because I'll do it the next morning.
Thursday morning. Alright,
Yeah.
perfect then. Perfect. Thursday morning, I'm perfect. Other question.
Remind.
Yeah man,
Yeah.
me call and remind you. Other question. You know nobody have no camera yourself?
Go like, when I ask the camera, stop. You know? That's why for the pandemic, I was wrong. But God, no.
Yeah man, more one cameraman because camera.
So Mr. Brown done with making tell where am I going and where am I doing, what we are doing here.
They must start go.
Yeah.
Alright, so here what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna call you and remind you probably Wednesday.
So McDonald!
How would that?
Akeem, I will out there. Portland, I go shoot movie.
I want a real party, you know.
Yeah man, we there up here shoot movie man, we don't play.
Come Mr. Brown, rain a come down, you know, so.
Rain.
Yeah man.
So look, with rain with sun out. Yeah man, so with Portland it's always a joy if you travel anywhere in Jamaica because they say, well, Jamaica our place, but we don't want a different environment. We're going to see what can go on for tomorrow in regards to filming. Day done gone, but already, so we're not going to do much today. We just look for the place. If a place was nice and we can stay, we stay. Get our computer set up. And then we just see what can go on for tomorrow. And not only see what can go on, we're going to just capture some behind the scenes at least. We can have some of that for posts. And you know, funny enough, we just talked to my virgin agent and we must say to me saying, love that. He love the fact that we are broadening horizon. Not just shooting our span.
Yes, my thing, cut off people. Can't make a mention agent and not tell the people them who is agent. Come.
Alright, so for those who know and those who don't know, Adrian, for me in my book, he's one of the biggest photographers in Jamaica in regards to accomplishment. Because what credit due, you can't hide that. He's one of the biggest photographers as it pertains to followings and in terms of his accreditation. So you don't know, I come from the, I would say, the same stable. You don't know.
Yeah.
Like a brother. So
yeah.
I just say things. So we just go and put in the work and I give thanks, and we on our side and make history just the same. And that is, you know that feel to me? When I see me and my friend.
Yeah, we know you feel good and all these things, but we already shot a camera, rain and come down, we can't make that one and mash up. So stay tuned people, wherever they are.
Nothing make.
Nothing like.
So you ever see a nothing make tree before?
I never said, oh gosh.
I forgot closer. Yep.
Oh, so can I go close?
No,
Catch your fruit.
I used to slam the people, nothing meg. So curious. Say something to the people them now. What go on in Portland now?
Just reaching us, so we can't tired. So like they hold it.
I go and hold it.
Tired and hungry.
Alright.
8 hour drive.
Not really. But
Young girls and too.
Not fully, but I get there.
When I get there.
Then when I get there,
I feel the bad tree.
first thing, first the place lockdown, we can't go
I'll
nowhere.
that, you know, say more than one nutmeg tree to one on this. I want to sell nutmeg. Sell nutmeg.
some of the time.
Summertime.
I feel like with guests, when you have guests here, then you just take it.
You feel like that will be one good investment if you have like 1 2 acre land and plant. Be not make
I mean, then
And
the
the
spice.
spice.
it's not a good investment. I know.
Alcohol tree big, full of
When
nutmeg.
first never see that.
We have ackee
I mean
tree.
say you have it open like a apple.
It can change.
I said as I step in, I can see it's nice. Yeah. No color. Okay. No color. The guy coming over, so. Friend. I mean, color. Definitely. You have the Wi-Fi too? Alright, cool. Alright.
Antoinette.
Yeah, no, no, I like you. Okay. But my way upon the guy too.
So, Mr. Brown, tell me what you think about this space so far.
Place look good. It look like a place someone have built up for rent. This look like the type of investment that I would invest in. Build some of them space for rent. I'm good 35
So, look like this is where we're going to stay for the few days that we're here. And now we'll leave out, we'll get some food, and then we'll start with the movie, editing, everything.